What's up everyone? Welcome back to the next adventure. I'm Bob. Last night I drove out around to the Olympic Forest and I made it pretty much to the rainforest. Today the weather is supposed to be awesome. Pretty beautiful, sunny. I caught wind that there is some old World War II bunkers not too far from here. I'm not 100% sure where they are yet. I've never been there, but we're gonna try to find them. And I'm gonna bring you along with me. So let's get into it. So I think we made it to the bunkers. Let's go check out what this sign says. Give you a good shot of this sign here and you can go ahead and pause it and read it. These bunkers would hold guns that would shoot a 1-ton projectile 28 miles. And if you see behind me, that goes out to the Pacific Ocean. All right, let's go in this bunker. There's Chris, there's Doug. Say hi, everyone. Welcome to the internet. So, I'm assuming these are the projectiles that the gun would shoot. Holy crap. To give you perspective, this is me standing right next to one. Can't see inside there, but a big room, concrete room. Let's see if you can get a shot of this, see what's in there. I don't know what they would keep inside here. See anything in there? Here's another one, let's check it out. I can't see up in there. Maybe they kept prisoners in there. Hard to say. So apparently there's quite a few bunkers just scattered out through here. I thought it was gonna be more in the middle of nowhere, but it's kind of like a park, which is kind of cool. People get to come and enjoy it, which is, why not? Make a little monument out of it. Part of our history. So it turns out that where these bunkers are right on the Strait de Juan de Fuca. As you can see behind me, we're gonna go down that. You can hear Copper down here freaking out. All right, let's go down there. Oh yeah, this is awesome. All right, let's go see what we can find. Well, that was pretty cool. We explored a lot more than I expected to. I thought we were just going to see those bunkers, which those are actually awesome. I can't believe they shoot those 1-ton shells that far. But we ended up going down to the beach and exploring around for quite a bit and protecting the dogs from getting eaten by seals. We were told those were monk seals, but we're not 100% sure. But they were big. Now we're headed back to the car. We're gonna head out. We're gonna go to the river. We're gonna kind of scope out for another whitewater rafting trip. We have an idea that we are gonna maybe try to do early spring here, so that'll be in a future video for sure if we end up making it happen. New plan. We're going down to below. We're gonna go down and check out the old dam site because we're thinking about, it's a class 4. So maybe this summer, once a little bit more melt, we're thinking about maybe we're gonna hit it. But we're gonna go look at it and see what it looks like. We looked at it one time, but the water was high. Now the water's lower, so we're gonna take a little peek and we'll see. Well, we were gonna go down below the dam and we decided not to because we ran into some locals that were actually rafting the river, and they actually build rafts, which was kind of cool. But anyhow, they said that we don't want to go through that because there's a bunch of rebar underneath of it from where the dam got taken out, and if you don't know what you're doing and the river's not flowing really high, then you can hit that rebar and, you know, potentially kill yourself. So we're not trying to do that anytime soon. So we are actually now here at a different river that we're scoping out. The river's too low, but I think within a month or so it'll be raftable, and this will be an actual 32-mile run. And I think like 10 miles is like class 3 for 10 miles, which would be super fun. So this is definitely promising, and most likely our next river raft adventure. So that'll be super fun within a month or so, because once the snow melt in the mountains starts bringing this river up, we'll be good to go. So this river is flowing about 400 cubic feet per second. On the information we're looking at, a minimum to raft this will be 700 cubic feet per second. But the maximum that this river gets up to is 7,000 cubic feet per second, which 7,000, out of some of the photos we just saw, would be intense. I think that's a little beyond our skill set for sure. But if we catch it just right within the next few weeks, it'll be about 700 to 1,000, and that'll be about perfect. But there's a lot of different pull-out points throughout this river that you could take. So we just got to plan a route, and we'll do it. That'd be a good adventure. Pretty great day, actually, overall. Scouted out some potential rafting spots I think we're going to end up doing for sure. And went on the coast. I've been wearing a wet boot all day because I fell in. But, price you got to pay for a good time, right? But and dogs are back here. They're loving the forest. It's pretty great. It's going to cool off quite a bit this evening, so we're just going to kick back by the fire and have a good evening. So until next time, on to the next adventure.